Myself Memuna Fatima and I am from grade 9.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Mehkuniza from grade 9.
Now our grade 10 students are performing a mock parliament, a powerful representation of how our democratic system functions. Through this performance, students will showcase debates, discussions, leadership and the importance of responsibility in governance.
This act will not only entertain you but also educate us about the value of democracy. Let us witness the future leaders of our nation in action. Please welcome the brilliant boys and girls of grade 10 for mock parliament. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning everyone. Have a seat. Marks versus skills. What should decide a student future? Respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends, I welcome you all to this Bal Lok Sabha section conducted on the pattern of the Indian Parliament. Today's discussion is on a question that affects every student life. Should marks or skills decide a student future? The House will now hear arguments alternately from both sides. I request all members to maintain decorum. I now call upon the Honorable Skill Minister Arina Fatima to propose this bill.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Marks measure how well a student writes an exam, but skills measure how well a student lives and works in a society. For example, many students may not score high marks but are excellent speaker, leaders and problem solver. Such students perform well in interview, teamwork and real life situation. The world outside the school does not ask for the report card, it asks for the ability. Therefore, skills should play the biggest role in deciding a student's future. Thank you. Thank you.
Honorable Minister of Education Zunaira Ambar has the floor to express her views on this bill.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I oppose the points of Ms. Alina. Marks are the most fair and equal system for judging students. Every student studies the same syllabus and writes the same exam. This ensures justice and equality. Skills are difficult to measure and may be biased, but marks give a clear and transparent result. That is why marks should decide a student's future.
Honorable Opposition Minister Zian Afraz, you may speak.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, let us look at real life. Many successful people were not school toppers, but they had skills like creativity, communication and courage. A student who can think differently can solve problems, can create jobs instead of searching for jobs. Skill open doors that marks alone cannot. Thank you.
Honorable Examination Minister Tehveen Begum, please express your views.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Marks show discipline, consistency and hard work. A student who scores well, regular study, manages time and stay focused. These habits are essential for success in our life. Without marks, student may lose seriousness toward education. Thank you.
Opposition Party Student Representative Minister Zoya Tayyab, you can speak.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Exams create pressure and fear. Many intelligent students understand concepts but panic during exams because of stress. They score low marks. Is it fair to judge a child's entire future based on 3 hours of exam pressure? Skills give every child a second chance to prove themselves. Thank you.
Opposition Party Teacher Representative Minister Saima Begum can express her views. Ruling Party Exam Board Member Mahmud Khan, please reply.
Yes, Honorable Speaker. Important profession need strong academic knowledge. Doctor, engineers and scientists cannot be selected only on skill. They need deep subject understanding. Mark ensures safety, quality and responsibility in such as career. That is why marks are necessary. Thank you.
Opposition Party Teacher Representatives Minister Saima Begum can express her views.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Every profession needs skills. A doctor needs presentation skills to explain lessons. A doctor needs presentation skills to comfort patient. A teacher needs presentation skills to explain lessons. A leader needs decision-making skills. Marks alone cannot teach these abilities. Skills prepare students for real responsibilities. Thank you.
Ruling party treasury member Aisha Begum can reply.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Skills without knowledge are incomplete. Confidence without subject knowledge can be dangerous. Marks prove that learning has actually taken place. Education must be a strong foundation of knowledge. Thank you.
Opposition party industry representative Amina Khadri, you may speak.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Skills build confidence and self-belief. Students who can speak on stage feel motivated and valued. If only students can speak on their... Many talented students feel ignored. Skills build confidence. Thank you.
Ruling party treasury representative Farina Begum can reply.
Thank you, Honorable Speakers. Marks are most important of the lesson. Students are help communication, encourage the student to improve. Without marks, learning may careless. Marks help maintain discipline and seriousness in education. Thank you.
Honorable Employer Association Minister Kulsum Begum can express her views.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Marks may help us pass exam, but skill help us succeed in life. A nation needs skills. A nation needs skilled youth who can think, lead and innovate. Therefore, this House strongly believes that skills should decide our students' future. Thank you.
Ruling party school member Sumaya Tabassum, please reply.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Skills are important, but they must come after knowledge. Marks ensure fairness, discipline and academic strength. They are the backbone of our education system. Therefore, this House believes that marks should decide a student's future. Thank you.
Respected audience, now it's time for final decision.
Skills are important.
Marks are important.
Skills are important.
Marks are important.
Skills.
Marks.
Skills.
Marks.
Skills.
Marks.
Skills.
Marks!
Skills.
Marks!
Skills.
Marks.
Skills.
Marks.
Marks.
Skills. Today's debate showed us two important truths. Marks build knowledge and discipline, skills build confidence and real life success. The future lies in balance between marks and skills. The House now comes to a conclusion and solution. You want skills, you want marks. But for both of these, we need guidance, and that is only happening at the Legend School. Sport, science lab, educational activities, field trips and many more. With this, I declare Bal Lok Sabha section closed. Jai Hind!
So, dear parents, admissions are open at both the branches of the Legend School with sibling discount. So, grab the opportunity.